Biology is not about memorizing, it's about visualizing. And once you see it clearly, scoring high becomes your second nature. Hello, students. I'm Mrs. Asha Bansal, a biology educator with over 40 years of teaching experience and a former CBSE evaluator. Over these decades, I have guided thousands of students not just to pass but to master biology, whether it's for board exams or competitive exams like NEET. Most students struggle because they treat biology as a collection of facts to be memorized. They learn the diagrams, but they don't understand the process. And when exam pressure mounts, they forget everything. But what if I told you that any difficult chapter, be it in botany or geology, can become simple, logical, and even enjoyable? Let me show you how. Let's take a chapter that often confuses students: excretory system, the nephron. Open your NCERT book. You see a coiled tube, labels like Bowman's capsule, PCT, loop of Henle, DCT, collecting ducts. Students memorize these names but miss the story behind it. Here is how we build a strong foundation. Think of the nephron as a smart filtration factory. Blood enters through the glomerulus. In Bowman's capsule, ultrafiltration happens. Water, urea, glucose, and salts are filtered out. This is step 1. Now, as this filtrate moves through proximal convoluted tubule, what is known as PCT, reabsorption of useful substances like glucose and amino acids. Second is loop of Henle. It creates a concentration gradient helping in water conservation. Then is distal convoluted tubule, DCT, fine tuning, reabsorbing more salts and water. Then is the collecting duct, final concentration of the urine. When you understand this flow, you no longer need to cram. You can now answer any question. Where does maximum reabsorption occur? PCT. What is the function of the loop of Henle? Countercurrent mechanism. See how strong NCERT concepts made simple. Now, knowing the concepts is one thing, presenting it in an exam is another. As a former CBSE evaluator, I can tell you answer writing makes the difference between a good score and a perfect score. We teach you how to draw examination ready diagrams, neat, labeled, and within time. How to structure your answer, key terms, logical flow, and precise. How to tackle application-based questions that boards and competitive exams want. For example, a common question: why is urine yellow? The answer is due to urochrome. But we will also explain the link to bilirubin breakdown so you are ready for both simple and tricky questions. This is what we call exam focused theory. Every line of NCERT is connected to how it can be asked in your exam. One of the biggest advantage of our program is that we complete your syllabus early. Why? Because when you finish early, you get time to revise thoroughly, practice multiple sample papers, strengthen your weak areas, build the confidence to walk into any exam hall without fear. Whether you are in class 11 or 12, our structured schedule ensures you of not rushing at any last moment. Our program is designed for CBSE, ICSE and IB boards and also for competitive exams like NEET. So you don't need to juggle multiple coaching classes. We align our teaching to meet the requirements of both your school exams and your future medical entrance tests. With over 40 years of teaching experience, I know that every student learns differently. That's why we keep our class personal and interactive. Whether you join us offline or online classes from home, you get the same individual attention, doubt clearing sessions, and mentorship. The proof is the results. Students who have come to us with confusion have left with clarity. Those who fear diagrams now draw them with confidence. And year after year, we see our students achieving top scores in boards and successfully qualifying for competitive exams. Admissions are open for a limited number of seats. Call us today to secure your spot and take the first step towards your medical career. Call 9417493786 today to book your seat or to learn more about our batches. Come join a program that has been transforming biology learning for over 4 decades. Thank you, students, for watching Asha Bansal Science Concept Academy classes. I look forward for guiding you. Let's make your biology journey a confident and successful one.